Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to turn on or off a Galaxy Watch Sees. To turn off our Galaxy Watch, we are going to hold down the two side buttons for a few seconds until you notice the vibration and release them. After that, we will see a screen with the power off icon. Click on it to turn off the watch. If we want to turn our Galaxy Watch back on, we will hold down the top right button for a few seconds until you notice the vibration and the Samsung logo appears. After that, we can release the button and we will see how it starts normally. If your Galaxy Watch won't turn on, check to see if it has enough battery. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.